When it comes to choosing the right ERP system, it's difficult to figure out if you're choosing the right solution. It's no secret the market is flooded with different vendors, programs, and specializations. Keep watching. Today, we're going over some vital considerations to keep in mind. Issue identification. One of the main reasons manufacturers implement ERP solutions? With a single data repository, it becomes easier than ever to identify and resolve manufacturing issues. To this end, look for a system that offers the ability to thoroughly track the history of each product. You should be able to link together product specification data, quality assurance records, and testing results to identify the precise touchpoint where the error occurred. This way, you can take a proactive approach to issue resolution, rather than a reactive one, where the stakes are higher and costlier. When this kind of system is in place, designers are more free to focus on the creative and technical aspects of product development, rather than spending a majority of their time assisting corrective efforts. Inventory cost management. There's no denying the financial toll that's taken when manufacturers carry inventory beyond their current needs. Imagine the savings you could amass if you were able to take a leaner approach to inventory management. With the right ERP system, you can. Look for one that's both versatile and user-friendly, enabling you to clearly see where your levels need to be. You should be able to quickly download the reports necessary to help guide your inventory carrying requirements and maintain appropriate levels. Advanced pricing models. One of the aspects that many manufacturers must consider is how to price their bids as competitively as possible to establish new relationships and win new work. Even being off by a minimal amount could place one bid behind another. This is why it's best to find an ERP system that includes sophisticated pricing and reporting features. When you're able to replace manual calculation methods with automated alternatives, you can eliminate the risk of user error and ensure that pricing models are consistent and competitive across the board. Robust transaction capacity. Make sure to verify that the system you choose is large and robust enough to keep up with your current and future business needs. Can it help you meet your transactional volume now, as well as down the road as you grow and scale? The system you choose should help you grow seamlessly and organically without the need to invest in additional resources to support your infrastructure. Simplify terminology. As a company, how do you establish and communicate your key performance indicators, KPIs? An ERP system can help you establish one version of numbers that the entire company can reference and work towards as a collective group. Moreover, it allows you to share these metrics with every employee across every department, so everyone is on the same page and working towards the same goal. While not everyone will be tasked with the same objectives, they can reference your enterprise-wide cross-functional KPIs to understand where you expect the company to be. They can also access new mission-critical reports, including product profitability analyses, to understand how close they are to meeting those goals. These are a few of the top features to look for in any manufacturing ERP software solution. As you continue to explore your options and consider the benefits that are most important to you, it helps to have a seasoned consulting team by your side. As one of the leading 5-star NetSuite solution providers, we're well versed in the many aspects of end-to-end ERP solutions and can help guide you towards the right one. Contact our team today to learn more about the services we provide, and let's get started. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.